Hello, it's Blue Rose 105 here, and this is like my Animal Jam Adventure Part 2, and this is like kind of weird because um like that right there and that. Okay, what is he doing? I don't know why people say like random things. Um, yeah, he's singing a song probably. Anyway, I could do like like go like places like for adventure or something, and just like going to go up here. Wow. Um, like this is like weird cause mostly the people who like and like it looks like a lot of people, but then it's like not even that much. Like right here, and like why do like people like not come on like they have like so much buddies and yet they like never come on. And my friend Katie, she's like my friend Katie, known as like her. She's like trying to help me she's like trying to help me get back my other account, like my one that has a member on it before like my membership like runs out. Like this is my other account, and like I just now got that article of, like at Christmas, like on Christmas, and that's when I wanted to change my password, but then I had fake email. I'm just gonna show you all of these like things and why I wanted them. This one was like my first animal, like this one, and like this is the one I usually play around with because I didn't really have enough time. And this is my second, which I usually like to role play or like role play, like as in like pretend like you're in a wolf pack and stuff like that. And like this one is just to like feel swag or something. Like this is like my favorite one right here. And this one, like my most favorite, like I loved it. It was like, I just miss it. And there's like my fox. This isn't my fox anymore. It's like a PS 27641's fox like she made. Like she got this one and she turned into this. And the bunny, this was like these two were my first animals when I got them. And I mostly looked like a cop. Like I had those items. And then this one was like just mostly for Christmas animal. This one I barely played with, like it was just always like that. And this one was my Christmas one. Like I'm just calling it Rudolph. And this one was my friend's that she made also. This is hers. She got the fox, like the fox and the dolphin. The polar bear, like I don't know where this came from, like I don't know. This is my last one. I only had like a few minutes like just to play with it, but then I did that. I'm going to check our jammer wall. I'm going to check my jammer wall actually. Yeah, I think this is 30 days ago. Days ago. Oh yeah, this is my old look, like my oldest one, like trainee. Oh yeah, Fox. Why? I don't know why he said very no. Like I'm guessing he's a girl now, or she is a girl. Is she rare now? Something. Oh my God, she became a member. Well, she didn't buy anything, but like, wait, darling, Dariana. I don't know her. She's a llama. Mm, Pandy. Oh my God, Pandy, January Blue. I missed you guys. Like January Blue and Pandy was like were my like me and her were like me and these two were like my best friends. Like we're best friends. We even made like a girl squad or something. Oh my God, I miss you guys. And I think Pandy became a like, oh my God. And her things are like all locked. I think the only ones she like tapped were probably these ones and I think this one or that one. Enjoy this one. Oh yeah, January Blue is like always pretending to be a boy. But like not on. But I remember, oh I think she was trying to make it like fabulous shy swag. I think I don't know. Like she should really put like a swag thing in there, swag swag, swag or something. She changed her look, look. God, she has like a lot of them now. Little flipper. I think she became a member. I think. And oh my God, I think I remember you. I've seen you before. You were the one that was wearing something. I think. Yeah. Yes. Um. Hmm. Wait, why did he change it? What? Never mind. Um. Wow. Wait. I think he's here. Him. Mm, no. Oh, I think I know this person. I'm just gonna friend him. Hill Pup. I think she got hacked. Game. That was. Whoa, 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 wait. Oh, it's not that Fox Lover. This is so bad. Oh my god. This is the hacker. Look. Can't click ports. Muffin Love. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It's and the liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all later.